What's up, everybody? I'm actually gonna stand up for this. You probably can't see me now, right? So I guess I gotta sit down for this. Check it out. It is May 2nd, a complete day after my package was supposed to arrive, and the package that I'm talking about is probably in the description that you already know. Is my Loot Crate DX. So yeah, let's get into it. I was hoping it happened yesterday so I can do the video, edit it, and do everything and put it out yesterday. But since it came today, and I go to work in about 3 hours, I need to go ahead and instead of doing what I did last time, make sure I'm going. Yeah. Instead of doing what I did last time, having to take the box with me, and I'm actually doing the same trip I did last week, where I went to Minneapolis and Houston. I want to go ahead and do the video real quick and get it over with, so I don't have to take this big box with me and everybody ask me questions about what you got in the box, and then opening the box, doing the video, and then having to bring stuff back and try to make sure it's not damaged on the way back home and everything in my bag, and everything like that. So if you haven't watched the last video of the regular Loot Crate box, it's right there. I think it'll be right there. Should be right there. But also it'll be a link at the end of the video, and also I'll put it in the description. But that was a pretty fun box. Thanos, and everything. So this is still the same theme as the last box, which is what is the thing? Artifacts. Artifacts is the theme. So let's get into it. Get my trusty little X-Acto knife. Some of you guys don't believe I actually opened these. So let's see, it doesn't really open right now. There you go. Blam! Alright, so let's see what we got here. What? Okay. Can't see much. Yo, is that a hoodie? I think it's a hoodie. I'll say that for later. Oh my. I didn't even pull it out. Check it out. That is awesome. So we know we got Avengers into this. Oh my goodness. We'll get to that in a second. And pull everything else out. Alright. Look at quote from Thanos. Fun isn't something one considers when balancing the universe, but this does put a smile on my face. Thanos. Alright, so let's get into this. What is this? Mystery. It's gotta be a poster. He-Man. This is weird, but cool. Big paper. But it's a He-Man drawing. I guess it's an original drawing. Let's see what the little paper says in here. Certificate of authenticity. This certificate is to authenticate this original hand-drawn production pencil drawing from the animated series He-Man Masters of the Universe. The artwork is one-of-a-kind, authentic, original piece that was used in production of the cartoon. There are no two alike in the world. John Lohman, Animation Inc. Ooh. That is the price of this box by itself. Exclusive. So this definitely has to be framed. Wow. You can tell they started with the blue markings right here and then finished with the actual drawing. That's wicked. That is wicked. I like that. You know what? this is, like he said, this is a one-of-a-kind drawing. And we're not going to mess it up. Leather authenticity. And we'll definitely put this in a frame. A lot of stuff to frame. Put this over here with the. Remember this? Well, if you haven't watched the video, but if you have, map of Hyro from the last box. So that's right there. Next thing, God of War. Yeah, if you already don't know, God of War has been released, a new one. You walk around with Kratos and his son. There's his son. Definitely doesn't look like Kratos. It must look like his mama. But it's a Kratos shield, a 5-inch replica. Loot Crate exclusive. I do not even want to open it because it's that exclusive. But I'm gonna open it. Oh, it's got some weight to it too. Man. Check this out. Feels like hard plastic. Look at it. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm glad I took it out. Well, glad it fell out. Look at it. Shield. Kratos. The detail in this is magnificent. Leave that right there. Comes with a little holder. God of War. Okay. Designed specifically for Loot Crate. Does this come out? Yeah, okay, there's a little piece in here that was blocking the hole. And just like that. Nice. I guess you can display it however you want to. If you want the other side to be shown, you can do that too. Alright. This is not light. This is some good hard plastic or whatever it's made out of. Yeah. I might display this. I'm actually going to put some shelves in my apartment so I can display some of this stuff that I do open up. Especially all the figurines that I don't open up. They need to be somewhere else besides where they're at right now. So, I'll put that over there. Now, to the Avengers thing. We all know that symbol. The Avengers, right? And, there's the back. So what is it? We know it's a book. Oh, the Avengers Essential Guide. Okay. Okay, alright. So Avengers Assemble, Founding Facts, Avengers 1. It goes through all the Avengers that have been in Avengers. So you got Thor, Hulk, Iron Man, Hank Pym, The Wasp, Loki, Captain America Returns, Captain America Avengers 16, Hawkeye, Scarlet Witch, Quicksilver, Baron Zemo, Kang, Evil Powers, Rogues Gallery, Government Liaisons, Love and Tears, Avengers Mansion, Stark Tower, The Quinjet Timeline from the 1960s to 2010 on The Secret Empire. This is alright. Earth's Mightiest Superheroes. Yeah, so it gives you some information about it on it and stuff like that. So this is, oh man, this, I'm going to have to sit back and read this. Avengers Assemble. Classic Avengers right there. Nice book. Nice book. Alright, so I believe that's all the big stuff, right? what's up. All right, so we know we always get a pin, and Buffy the Vampire Slayer pin, Loot Crate DX Vampire. Okay, that's cool. Now, what is the hoodie? Look at that. I got 99 problems. But a lich ain't one. That's what's up. Check it out. 99 problems, but a lich ain't one. Alright. That is... It's not a thick hoodie either. It's like having a long sleeve shirt with a hood on it. But that's pretty cool. I like that. And that's Skeletor if you don't know. Or not Skeletor. Because this box was supposed to be, have a He-Man problem a He-Man element to it, and I guess that's the drawing of on there that I do have. But this is from Dungeons and Dragons. I'm sorry, Dungeons and Dragons. So, man, I might. You know what? I'm taking this on my my trip. Oh man, my bag's in my car already. But anyways, I might just go ahead and put this in the bag and take my other hoodie out. This is legit. I could wear this. But anyways, there you go. That's the exclusive. Well, it's not exclusive, I guess. But that's everything in here is exclusive to Loot Crate, pretty much. But that's the Loot Crate DX box. Came a couple of days late. Came a week later than the actual regular Loot Crate. Well worth the price of having an authenticized drawing from He-Man. So right there, that was worth the money spent on there. The hoodie is a great thing. The book on the Avengers is awesome. Definitely got to take a read into that and see what the history of the Avengers. If I don't know the full history because most of the comics that I grew up on that I followed were X-Men, X-Force, and Black Panther and Silver Surfer. Those were the ones that I followed. Those are the ones that I always collected. I didn't put this back in there, but so I know Black Panther was a part of the Avengers at one time. He's also part of Illuminati, which I believe Marvel is going to actually make an Illuminati movie. That's going to be interesting because it involves Charles Xavier, Black Panther, Mr. Fantastic, and there's one more person. Yeah. But yeah, so this is going to be interesting. So they got to get the Fantastic Four movie up and running because they need to get, figure out what they're going to do with Mr. Fantastic. Anyways, but yeah, so that right there, that drawing right there is super exclusive. I like that. The shield from God of War is going to be great. I'll probably display it somewhere. Buffy the Vampire, I'm glad they only limited that to a pin because I'm not a Buffy fan. But this hoodie, man, Loot Crate has been great on the t-shirts of late. I'm loving the t-shirts. So next month, as stated in my last video, is going to be I forgot what it's called. It's something like pew. I know it has to do with pew 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 pew. But Deadpool is going to be featured in that one. Of course, Deadpool the movie comes out this month in about a couple weeks. So I'm still debating if I'm going to release my little reaction to watching Avengers. I may not. I don't know. I probably will just to have it released. But since I did make it, but thank you for watching. If you've never watched before, hopefully you follow me and see what other Loot Crate boxes come out in the future, and come back next month and definitely see what the box has to offer. Well, actually in a couple weeks because it's already May. I'm gonna do another flight attendant video. I'm probably going to release that in tomorrow, so I might actually release it today. I don't know. But anyways, keep following me. I will talk to you guys later. Peace out. Yeah. I got 99 problems, but a lich ain't one. Nope.